Welcome back to Our Venture Life. Today, we're taking a full look inside the Campsite Elite 36AK, a spacious fifth wheel with a rear den, a mid-kitchen, and a huge bedroom area up front. This bath-and-a-half floor plan is mainly designed for couples who want plenty of room, comfort, storage, and a well-planned layout. Let's start right here inside and make our way through the coach. At the rear, you get a large main living room with dual opposing slide-outs, creating a wide-open space. On one side is a trifold sofa bed for additional sleeping space, while the other seating area includes a sectional sofa and comfortable recliners facing a large TV. There's also side shelving for decor, upper storage cabinets, and a large fireplace below. The entertainment area includes more storage, plus electrical outlets and USB ports for charging your devices. The rear sectional offers plenty of seating, and the window treatments keep the space looking clean with blackout roller shades and simple trim. The windows in the slide-outs can open for ventilation. When it gets hot, the dual 18,000 BTU AC units provide cooling through the ducted AC system, while a ceiling fan helps with airflow. Interior speakers are also included, and the seamless flooring around the slide-outs gives the entire rear area a clean, continuous look. Moving into the dining area, you'll find a freestanding dining table with movable chairs. That gives you more flexibility than a fixed dinette, and there's a convenient storage caddy nearby. Large windows stretch across the slide, bringing plenty of natural light inside. The slide-out also has excellent ceiling height, making the area feel even more open. Now we enter the U-shaped kitchen, and one unique feature here is the built-in doggy station. There's a water spout for filling a pet bowl, dedicated space for dog food, and additional lower storage. Several outlets are inverter prepped, giving you more flexibility for powering appliances. Near the entry is a waterfall-style countertop with a shoe cubby, entry drawers, and upper storage. It's a practical spot for shoes and other items you may want quick access to before heading outside. The main kitchen features solid surface countertops and a workstation sink. You get a glass rinser, soap dispenser, high-rise pull-out faucet, and different sprayer options. There's also a built-in tray or cutting board. The sink drain control is conveniently located at the counter. Under the sink, there's storage around the plumbing area, while a dedicated space beside it holds a trash can. Additional side drawers provide more kitchen storage. The cooking area includes a 3-burner cooktop, oven, storage beside and below the cooking area, inverter-prepped outlets, upper cabinets, and a convection microwave oven. Electrical outlets on both sides of the counter give you convenient places for kitchen appliances. For cold storage, the 36AK has a large double-door refrigerator and freezer. It's a 12V unit with 16 cubic feet of capacity. Next to it is a huge kitchen pantry with adjustable or removable shelves, a motion sensor light, and additional storage up top. Nearby, you'll find the RV controls, including the AC thermostat, main control panel, lights, slide controls, awning controls, water pump, and tank monitoring panel. The half bathroom is located near the entry, making it convenient when coming in from outside. It has an angled toilet with good leg and shoulder room, upper storage, a 14-inch vent fan with controls, a sink, mirror, lower storage, and even a dedicated built-in space for a trash can. As you head toward the bedroom, there's a full-length mirror in the hallway. The front section of this fifth wheel provides a large amount of clothing storage. The main bathroom features a large thermoformed countertop with a waterfall-style faucet, side storage, and a large linen closet. The shower includes a skylight, hand wand, built-in shower shelf, and one-piece construction. A 14-inch vent fan is installed above, while the bathroom also includes a foot-flush porcelain toilet, large under-counter storage, additional side storage, and a large mirror. Across the hallway is a huge wardrobe with hanging space behind wardrobe doors, along with a chest of drawers and an inverter-prepped outlet. This gives you plenty of clothing storage for longer trips. Inside the master bedroom is a king-size bed with a low bedside shelf. A standard inverter outlet provides a convenient area for CPAP use and storage, along with small wall storage spaces. You'll also find the control for the second AC, with the dual 18,000 BTU AC system keeping the coach comfortable. At the foot of the bed is a large chest of drawers and a large window with a blackout shade. One standout feature is the projector screen, paired with a bedroom projector. An HDMI connection allows you to connect a laptop or other media device, with nearby storage and an electrical outlet. The bedroom also includes a large lighted mirror, huge lower storage, and a vanity desk with a vanity stool. There's an electrical outlet for accessories and small storage for makeup or other items. Overall, the interior layout gives couples excellent seating, a spacious kitchen, strong storage, a bath-and-a-half setup, and a very large bedroom area. Now, let's step outside and take a look at the construction and exterior features. This is a large fifth wheel, weighing roughly 13,500 pounds dry as equipped. It rides on the X9 Titan chassis with a continuous main I-beam and a 50,000 psi I-beam designed for strength and reduced frame deflection. Up front, the Kurt Helix pin box helps reduce vibration, shock, bucking, and chucking. The ultra-ride suspension adds shock absorbers to help provide a smoother ride and reduce road vibration. In the front lower utility area, there's a protected spare tire, built-in solar system with a solar charge controller, battery disconnect, and docking lights. You also get a 20-pound propane tank with a second tank on the other side, plus the leash latch system for pets. The pass-through storage compartment is large, with a rubberized impact-resistant floor, included storage bins and tie-down straps. For outdoor entertainment, there's a pull-out exterior TV, along with an ice maker and outside refrigerator. You also get a propane quick connect and exterior spray port. The entry features suburban composite steps with ratcheting adjustable legs and composite treads. The main entry door uses tempered glass with a window and an available privacy shade option. Outside, there are speakers and dual awnings, including the main awning and another on the slide, creating a large covered camping area. Mechanical tire pressure indicators make it easy to check the tires, while the ultra-ride suspension uses front and rear shocks. Tinted windows help with UV protection, and there's another rear pet leash latch. At the rear, an accessory receiver can be used for a bike rack. There's also a flat 4 connector and a 3,000-pound rated hitch for towing where permitted. A backup camera provides additional visibility. The rear utility area includes a 50-amp detachable power cord, tankless water heater, dump connection, and wet bay with freshwater and city water inlets. You also get cable and satellite connections, plus a winterization system for easier setup. Finally, the auto-leveling system makes campsite setup easier. There's also an electrically powered support post with an outlet for charging tools or other equipment. The Campsite Elite 36AK brings together a spacious rear den, comfortable seating, a large kitchen, excellent storage, a bath-and-a-half layout, and a huge bedroom area. Combined with its strong chassis, suspension, exterior storage, entertainment features, and camping conveniences, it's a well-equipped fifth wheel designed especially for couples. Thanks for watching RVenture Life, and we'll see you in the next RV tour.